Mga kabalin, welcome to Pampanga for today's video. And nandito po tayo ngayon sa Sky Ranch sa may SM City, Pampanga. And we're invited to come and check it out. Actually, this is not our first time, pero it's our first time featuring sa Pampanga. So I wanna tour you to this place. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Okay, let's get in, baby. Hi, Mom.
Hi!
Sa mga attraction na hindi nyo dapat palampasin, ito kanilang Ferris wheel. So, they call this Pampanga Eye. If I'm not mistaken, this is the tallest Ferris wheel outside Metro Manila. Medyo nakakalula, pero ano, super enjoy pa rin syempre. So, how about you, Luis? You good? You good?
You go first. I'll go second.
Get me out of here!
Ikot mo pa sa'yo. Yan, sige, go, more. Ikot mo pa, Mi. Luis, are you scared? No? Yeah?
There's
Something there?
No, here.
Nice. Hi. We're gonna bump you. I'm gonna bump. Bump.
Hello, Mom.
One of the nicest place ang Sky Ranch Pampanga that you will visit dito pa sa Pampanga. Mga pumupunta dito mga barkada, couple, and also family. Sama kong family ko ngayon. Bonding time kumbaga. It's either on a weekend or a weekday. Pwede po yan. They are open from 12 p.m. hanggang 9 p.m. naman. Pag pupunta po kayo dito, make sure that check their fan page for updates. Dahil minsan nga, umuulan, lalo na ngayon, tag-ulan ng season na to. Luis, good luck, boy.
Happy face.
Good luck, boy. Baby, good luck.
Konting apak lang, baby. Konting apak lang. Tapos break, okay? You can do this. You can do this, di ba?
Yeah, go.
Comment below. Sige lang muna.
Go.
Go, isa. Siyaw na kami, baby.
Go, Luis. Hi.
Hello po.
1 and 2.
Yes po, one
Alright.
po na.
On the first.
I'm the Didi. Hey, Didi.
You scared?
No.
No, good.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, this is scary.
SM City, Pampanga. If you're coming from Angeles City, you may enter North Luzon Expressway via Clark South Toll or Angeles City Toll, then exit at San Fernando Exit Toll. If you're riding a public transportation coming from SM City San Fernando, you may go to the nearest terminal and look for rides with routes SM City San Fernando to SM City Pampanga. See you there! Thanks for watching!